Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Facts with Usama. A group using a drone watches a house, rumored to be the first stop for Santa to deliver presents, hoping to glimpse the real Santa as he arrives with a sack of gifts. The footage follows Santa as he approaches the house, struggles with doors, and seems to be preparing to enter, while a Grinch figure lurks nearby, apparently intent on spoiling Christmas. The Grinch hides and watches as Santa dips into his sack, and the two face off in a tense sequence. Santa appears to pull a mysterious red potion from the bag and drinks it, then seems to vanish, leaving the Grinch shocked and searching for Santa. The pursuit continues as Santa reappears and the drone reveals him moving through the home and outside, with the Grinch close behind. A key is finally involved in the conflict, and the Grinch grabs it, prompting a chaotic chase that moves from room to room and outside again. Santa fights back, tossing his sack around, and the Grinch escapes with the key, racing toward a sleigh that requires a power cell to fly. Realizing the stakes, the captors try to help Santa by locating the power cell, the sleigh's fuel, while the Grinch searches for the final item needed to ruin Christmas. A dramatic sequence unfolds as the Grinch corners Santa, knocks him down, and seems to threaten Christmas ruin. But the crew discovers that a decoy, a phone case, had been hidden and used to mislead the Grinch. In a last-ditch effort, the potion's effects are undone, and Santa and his helpers work to reclaim the situation. Ultimately, Christmas is saved when the Grinch is thwarted. Santa regains control, and a magical transformation involving an elf on the shelf is reversed, restoring the holiday spirit. The video ends with Santa preparing to depart, and the narrator wishing everyone a Merry Christmas as the adventure concludes. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.